Hello and welcome to mitigated.io. Today I'm going to show you how to import your penetration test report. To get started, we first need to log in. By default, all accounts require strong passwords and two-factor authentication using a one-time code. I've already set up my two-factor authentication, and that step happens upon registration. For two-factor authentication, we recommend installing the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone or the Microsoft Authenticator app. Since this is a brand new account, I do not have any pen test reports imported. So once I log in, I am redirected to this screen, which prompts me to get started by importing a report. Alternatively, I can click skip for now, or I can start the import process. I'm going to go ahead and start the import process. First, I select the appropriate type of security test I am importing. In this example, I'm going to be importing a network penetration test report. But as you can see, mitigated.io is not limited to pen tests alone. Next, I will add some important information by giving it a name, date, scope, and other relevant information. This information can be changed later if needed. Mitigated Clarify is a valuable feature that uses generative AI to simplify report findings in terms that you can better understand. Simply click the box to enable this feature. Your original findings will not be overwritten, and this feature is completely optional. Next, you will be prompted to find the report on your computer for importing into the platform. Mitigated.io expects reports in Excel or CSV file formats. If you do not have an Excel version of your report, Adobe has an online service that will perform the file conversion for you. The goal over the next several screens is to ensure you are importing the minimum required fields and that the data falls into the correct columns. Mitigated.io will attempt to automatically do this for you. At a minimum, there are only 4 required fields for each report. Import. Finding name, finding description, severity, and remediation steps are the only required fields. That said, your report probably has additional data, such as likelihood impact, steps to reproduce, references, and so on. Follow the prompts to continue and submit your file and any changes you've made. This process could take some time depending upon the size of your report. As part of our data policy, we do not store any Excel or CSV files that you upload. Once the data conversion has occurred, we only store your data in structured format inside a U.S. data center located in San Francisco. See our privacy policy for more information. Once the data import process has completed, you'll be forwarded to the dashboard page showing your brand new workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the features. Don't forget to watch the dashboard video on how to make your way around this area. Thanks for watching.